Ndị be anyị daalụ non. Afọ m bụ Ngozika. Hello guys, my name is Ngozika, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you're all welcome. Before we delve into today's video, what we have for today, if you are a first timer on this channel, you're welcome. I really appreciate you. Thank you for stopping by. I promise you a truckload of fun and very interesting content. And to my returning subscribers, I really appreciate. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for watching my video anytime I make new uploads. I'm so grateful. Thank you. Very good. At the end of this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe and click on the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that whenever I make new upload, you will always be the first to be notified. Thank you very much. Unlike the Gregorian calendar, the one we are all used to, the traditional calendar has 13 months in a year, 7 weeks in a month, and 4 days in a week, plus an extra day at the end of this month. So in today's video, we are going to talk about Igu Aro or Igu Afo. So what is this Igu Afo or Igu Aro? Igu Aro is what we call calendar in English. So Igu Aro or Igu Afo translates calendar in English. With this, the months, the weeks, the days, the weeks, the months, the year are being counted in our Igbo tradition. So Igu Aro, calendar, Igu Aro. Very this topic into two or three videos in order to have a complete lesson on the topic. So today we are treating of the week in Igbo. The days of the week in Igbo language, after which we will continue with the rest in our subsequent videos. Very good. The traditional week in Igbo speaking communities consists of 4 days. These 4 market days, according to our Igbo tradition, follows each other sequentially. Yes, they are Eke, Oye, Afo, and Nkwo. Let's go again. We have Eke, Oye, Afo, and Nkwo. These are the 4 market days that make 1 week a week in our Igbo tradition. It goes sequentially like that. Market days are very important to Igbo communities because they are used to mark important events. The names of these markets are also used as cardinal directions in some communities. In various parts of Igbo land, each community has a market named after the aforementioned days. Yeah, the aforementioned market days. A few more facts on the concept of the Igbo traditional market days, guys. You know that the Igbo man is expected to work 3 days and rest on the 4th day. It is mandatory. It's an obligatory something. Eke is generally considered as that particular special day for rest, that obligatory resting day where everyone is expected to rest. However, some communities can decide to choose any day among these days, these market days, for rest, and it is obligatory as well. And defaulters of this tradition faces the penalty of sanction and other punishments. These 4 market days also serve as a form of identification. The traditional names of most Igbo people are derived from these market days on which they were born. Now for the Eke market day borns, we have Nweke. We have names like Nweke, Mweke, Okeke. Then we have names like Okafo, Nwafo, Mgbafo for Afo market day borns. We also have Nwankwo. We have Ngwoye. We have Nwoye. We have Okoye and the rest of them. Still on today's subtopic, let's translate these in Igbo language. We have ta for today, right? We have today. Today translates ta or tata in Igbo. Ta or tata in Igbo language. We also have yesterday. Yesterday translates nya, nya or unya, nya or unya. And there's something I forgot to say, talking about izu. Izu has to do with a week. Izu. Remember, we have 4 days in 1 week. 4 days in 1 week. So we have 4 days in Izu. We have the Eke, Oye, Afo, Nkwo. These market days make Izu a week. So Izu, a week. 1 week, Ofu Izu. 2 weeks, Izu na abo. 3 weeks, Izu na ato. Izu na ato. Izu na abo. 2. Owu Izu. Ofu Izu. 1 week. Izu na abo. 2 weeks. Izu na ato. 3 weeks. And etc. 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 Last week, Izu gara aga. Izu gara aga. Last week, Izu gara aga. Then next week, Izu na-abịa abịa. Izu na-abịa abịa for next week. Last week, Izu gara aga. Next week, Izu na-abịa abịa. Izu na-abịa abịa for next week. Then Izu gara aga for last week. Every day, mgbe niile or mgbe ọbụla or kwamgbe. We have kwamgbe or mgbe ọbụla or oge ọbụla or mgbe ọbụla or kwamgbe. Now we have any day. Any day also said mbosi ọbụla, still mgbe ọbụla. Now tomorrow, echi, tomorrow, echi. Good. Yeah, we've progressed a whole lot. Mkpụrụ ụbọchị one ka enwere n'izu. You know what I said? I ask, how many days do we have in a week? Mkpụrụ ụbọchị one ka enwere n'izu. How many days do we have in a week? How many days makes a week? How many days makes 1 week? Mkpụrụ ụbọchị one ka enwere n'izu. Mkpụrụ ụbọchị one ka enwere n'izu. How many days do we have in a week? We have eno 4. Mkpụrụ ụbọchị na anọ. Mkpụrụ ụbọchị na anọ. Eke, Oye, Afọ, and Nkwo. Eke, Oye, Afọ, na Nkwo. Eke, Oye, Afọ, and Nkwo. 4 market days. Mkpụrụ ụbọchị one ka enwe n'izu. How many days do we have in a week? Mkpụrụ ụbọchị na anọ. We have 4 days. Na anọ 4 days. Eno 4 days in a week. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button there. And also the notification bell beside it, so that whenever I make new upload, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you for having me. See you in the next video. Bye.